Hello everyone, welcome to Billman software. In this video, we are going to see how to use WhatsApp promotion in Billman software. On the dashboard, click Search. Type add-ons and press Enter. Here, enable WhatsApp alert and promotion. Now go back to the dashboard. Again, click Search, type WhatsApp and select it. First, click the Numbers option. Then click Add Number and scan the QR code using your WhatsApp. Once connected, go to the next option, Campaign. Click New Campaign. Enter the campaign name, select the audience and enter the message. Then select the delay time for sending messages and click Start Sending to run the campaign. Next, click Auto Reply. Click Add Rule, enter the keyword and reply message, then click Save Rule. Now click AI Chatbot. Enable it, choose the required options, enter the UPI ID or GPay number, and click Save. Next, click Occasions. Here you can see customer events. Then click Templates. Here you can see many inbuilt WhatsApp templates for sales, services, and wishes. Next, click Order Settings. Enable the WhatsApp ordering toggle, enter the necessary details, and click Save. This option is useful for managing orders through WhatsApp. Now click Message Log. Here you can check whether messages are sent or not. Next, go back to the dashboard and click Sales. Here you can send a WhatsApp reminder to the customer. Select the number and click Send. The WhatsApp message will be sent successfully. That's it. Thanks for watching.